If you are worried about earthquakes and wondering what if you can receive notification or alert on your phone when an earthquake is about to happen in your area, this video is for you. I'll show you how you can enable earthquake alerts on your Android phone. Just go to settings, tap on safety and emergency. Here you will see an option called earthquake alert. Toggle on this feature if it's available in your country. If you live in any of these areas or countries, you can enable this feature and can get an earthquake alert a few seconds before, so that you can prepare yourself for any seismic activity. With earthquake alerts, you will receive notifications on your phone before the earthquake occurs in your area. This can help you stay safe and prepared in case of an earthquake. Also, make sure that your device has access to your location because this is necessary for earthquake alerts to work. You can check your location settings by going to settings on your device and selecting location. Currently, this feature is available in the areas who have more chances of earthquakes. Hopefully, it will be available in all the countries. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more.